Hi, to scan QR codes on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, we got several ways. The first one is you can open camera, and when you're in a photo mode, take a look at the upper panel. Here you should see this first square icon, which is Google Lens. So tap it. Now allow some permissions if you're opening it for the first time, and choose to open camera. After that, you can search for anything you want to, including QR codes. So let me take this user manual, point the camera at the QR code, and now I can immediately see this link. So I can tap it and basically open content of this QR code. Or I can press the shutter button and also choose one of those two links or swipe up and copy this link, visit website, share, and so on. The next way is we need to swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center. From here, swipe down again to check more features, and here find scanner. If you can't see it in this list, then tap edit. Choose edit shortcut switch, and now we need to find it in the additional features, and here it is, scan. So I'm gonna just press and hold it and add to my control center and tap done. Now let's tap the icon, and here you can see scan QR code option. So basically do the same thing, point the camera at the QR code and it will be automatically detected. So in my case, it is 2 QR codes at once, so I can choose which one I want to open. For example, this one, choose to open with Chrome, and now I can actually see its content. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.